Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So my name is Tatiana. If you're new here, if you're not, welcome back. So today's video is a BoxyCharm premium box unboxing. So I've unboxed the base box a few times on my channel already. This isn't the actual first premium box I received. I did receive a premium box in April. However, because of the coronavirus and everything that's been going on, it did take so long to get here that by the time I received it and unboxed it and edited it, it was already like May 3rd. And I was like, I don't feel like uploading it. So I never uploaded that one. So this will be the first one that I upload to my channel. A few things about this box. This box is a $35 a month box. The base box is $25. Once you sign up for the base box, you can ask to join the wait list for the premium box. Once you're approved for the premium box, they'll charge you the $35 for this box. And then you can cancel the base box the next month. So you don't have to pay $25 for the base box and then $35 for the premium box. I do just because I want to be able to unbox them both. And I just am a hoarder and I like to get a lot of makeup. So that's why I have both. And so there'll be some more because there's one last box that is the Luxe Box, and that box is actually a quarterly box. And so it'll be just some information on that down below as well. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up. All right, and so here's how it came. So it did come with a little thingy here, and then the products are inside. I do not see a card, but it could be under. Nope, there's no card in this box. I did receive a card in both my April boxes last month. So I'm a little sad that there isn't one in here, but I'll live. I don't need it. Okay. All right, so there's 6 products in here. So the first one I have here is a milk product. Let's see. So this is a glow oil lip and cheek. It is a sheer blush and lip stain pack with hydrating rice bran oil for a shimmering wash of color. Oh, I should have got my tweezers to be able to open this stuff without. Oh, I just chipped all my nails. Oh well, it's okay. Okay, so here's what the product looks like. It is a little tube. Oh wait, that twisted it up. Don't want to do that. Oh, it twists off. Okay, so it twists off and then there's a glass cap on it. Okay, finally. All right, and so here's the product. It is just like a little tubey. It's really soft. So it is like really soft. This is it right here. And so I can see you using it as a cheek stain as well as a lip stain. I was kind of curious about that, but it does look like it can be used for both. All right. There's a lot of itty bitty stuff in here this month, which is fine. It's just so tiny. All right. And so then the next thing we have here is, so it is branded Kat Von D. 24 hour super brow long wear pomade. I don't know why I said pomade. And so Kat Von D actually sold her company and they have rebranded to KVD. So like, sorry, they rebranded to KVD Vegan Beauty or something like that. So this must be like one of her older like made products, not older made. It just hasn't been rebranded yet. I like her packaging on this. I've never tried any of her products. And this is in the shade dark brown. So I might can get away with the shade. My brows need to be shaped a little bit and then I can try it one day, see how I like it. All right. Okay, and so then the next item we have here is another small one. So this is Sugar Rush by Tarte, the Best Bud. This is a lip butter balm. So here this packaging is. And so it says peony. Man, I don't know how to say this word. I hate this word. Okay, I don't know if it focused, but peony. Ooh, it's so pretty. I've never really used any of Tarte products either, other than like going into Ulta and like looking at the try on stuff. I've never actually used them. So this is what the packaging looks like. That is really pretty. Little flower. Oh, it matches like my outfit today. So it smells good. It smells kind of like a cocoa butter, but with like a floral scent on top, I guess. My lips are really rough today, so I'm sorry about that. Oh, this feels really nice. I do like this. I'm definitely going to put this in my purse because my lips are drying out for some reason. And, well, actually, I don't need to put it in my purse. They finally let me work from home, so I'll just put it on my desk. And then, yeah, I like that. It's really thick, and so it feels really hydrating. All right, and so then the next product we have here, it looks to be by Pure Hills. No, it's Pure Hills by Nature Village. Ampule something. So it is definitely, it's from Korea because I see Korean up here. Soothing Ampule, I don't know how to pronounce that word, so I'm sorry, which contains Centilla asiatica. Oh God, extract. I can't talk. Oh my God. It relieves irritation of the sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. Let's see. How to use. After cleansing, even out skin tone with a toner and apply a moderate amount of the product onto face. Gently pat for better absorption. I don't actually have a toner yet, so there's that. But here's what the box looks like. So it's like this. It comes in like a little, it looks like a glass bottle or plastic bottle. Oh, this is glass. Looks really thick. It has like a minty smell to it. I'm just gonna put a drop here just to kind of rub it and see what it feels like. It's really soft. Like, I feel it absorbing into the skin. It's not leaving my skin oily or anything. It's a little sticky right now, but I'm sure it's gonna, once it like dries in. And I can't smell it. The smell isn't overpowering, so that's nice. It's at first when you smell it like straight out the bottle, it does smell minty. But like once I dropped it on the skin and I was rubbing it in, it did feel, it didn't really smell anymore. So, all right. And so then the next thing we have in here is the Truffle Therapy by Skin & Co. Reconstructing Truffle Eye Contour Concentrate. So this is an eye concentrate. I want to say this is one of the choice items because with each box, like the premium box and the base box, you can pick one item. Like when you receive the email, they're like, hey, here's some options you can pick from. Which would you prefer? You can pick one that you want or have them pick for you. Because of the options that they had for the premium box, I didn't know what I would want. So I did have them just pick for me. And I want to say this is it. So this is the Skin & Co. Aroma Truffle Therapy, like I said. So this big box, I felt like it was really light and I just didn't pay attention to it. But when you open it up, that's the product. So it is a lot smaller than I was expecting out of this box. So this is probably hella expensive. Okay, and it comes with like a little thing here. I just wanted to smell it. So it smells, it doesn't have a smell to it really. Ooh. It's really soft. It feels hydrating. Let's see if we can determine what this should do. Okay, so it says, after cleansing your face and using Truffle Therapy serum, use your finger and apply a generous amount of Truffle Therapy eye concentrate under the eyes, extended upward toward temples and brow bone. Use twice daily, recommended for all skin types. So this sounds like it's similar to the Murad eye cream that I received in my Luxe box or my Luxe starter kit or whatever. And where you put it under your eyes and you like kind of just pat it in and up. So it probably is just to help with the, created to target the appearance of tired eyes, puffiness, bags, dark circles, and signs of aging. The Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate has been perfected to hydrate, nourish, and rejuvenate the delicate eye contour. Formulated with antioxidants, essential fatty acids, vitamins to protect against free radical and environmental damage, and a hydrolyzed fruit extract to energize and revitalize bright eyes. It says it works best as part of the Truffle Therapy regimen to achieve glowing results. So I did stop using my Murad eye cream because I don't have a full regimen. I don't have like the toners and the serums and all that stuff that people put. I just have cleansers. So I stopped using it because they all recommend to use it after you do the toning or whatever. So I'm kind of like trying to build it. So I wanted to save it and not just use it. And I don't know if it's doing anything or not. So I did stop using that. So I'm just going to put this like to the side in my collection. And so that way I can have another eye cream when it's time to use another one. All right. And so then the last thing in here is by a brand that everyone has an issue with. It is by Too Faced. So it's called the Natural Matte. It's an eyeshadow palette. So Too Faced just has been doing some shit that they shouldn't do as a professional company, or like even if you as the face of a company, stuff that you just shouldn't do. So I'm trying to open this, but that's not what we're here for. We're here for what BoxyCharm sent. So, okay. Okay, so then, what's in here? Oh, okay. So it looks like he comes with a how-to glamour guide. So it has a look for like natural beauty, and some instructions on that. Has a look for natural born thriller with some instructions on that. And then we have Naughty by Nature. Honestly, all of these appear to be extremely matte and extremely neutral. I am neither of those. I'm actually just a very bold eye person. I like my eyes to just be like, bam. So, yeah. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and open this. I'll probably end up gifting this palette to someone else. Because, yeah, looking at this color scheme is definitely not something that I will ever reach for. And it doesn't appear as if any of these are shimmer shades. They all, oh, well, duh, it did say natural matte. So, duh. I don't know why I was looking for shimmers. But anyway, so here are the colors. You have Hookup. Do you have Risky Biz? You have Sexpert. And then there's All Natural, Cleavage, Less is More, Heaven, Nude Goals, and then Lacy Teddy. So these are the shades. They're all very, 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 like the shade names are just like, okay. But it is a matte natural palette. And like I said, this isn't really like my particular color scheme or favorite formula. Like I like shimmers. I like to have shimmers on my eye. So I'm sure you can use it with another palette. But again, I'm just going to go ahead and gift this to someone else. So I'm not going to swatch it or anything. But yeah, so that was that. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go off camera really quickly and see if I can find all the totals of everything. So that way we can know how much it was. Because this box should have $165 value plus. I think is what it should be. And I'll come back with that information as well. So just a second. All right. So now that I have went back and found all of the products, I will give you prices of everything and then I'll tell you the total. All right. So we have Pure Heels. This item was $28. The Tarte lip balm was $12. The KVD Super Brow was $20. The Milk Makeup blush, lip, and oil, cheek, all of that. It was a lot of words, I don't remember. It was $15. The Skin and Co Truffle Eye Cream, $68 for that little thing. $68. My Murad one was $70, so I'm not surprised. Eye cream seemed to be really expensive. And then last but not least is Too Faced All Matte Natural Palette was $38. So that brings the total value of the box to be $181. So by paying $35 through BoxyCharm, I did save $146. So I'm not mad at it at all, because if I wanted all that stuff and I purchased it, it would definitely be a lot more expensive than what I actually paid. And I'm actually happy with the premium box that I received. My April one, I wasn't too happy. It was a lot of products in there that I couldn't use per se, because they just weren't stuff for me as a African American person. I got like some hairspray that probably isn't going to work with my hair. It's for straightening and kind of keeping it from frizzing up, but I don't think it would work, to be honest. And then I got a lipstick that wasn't my shade, and I got some blush that wasn't going to work with my skin tone either. And then there were like a few products that I can't remember that I did think would work for me. But this one, out of everything in this box, I will probably use 5 out of 6. Maybe 4 out of 6, to be honest. I don't usually do my brows often, but I would use the KVD. Maybe sometimes, a few times occasionally. I won't use the Too Faced palette because that's just not my theme, like my vibe. So I'll probably, like I said, be gifting that away. But everything else in there, I will definitely use to see how I like it. So I'm excited. And so that has been my premium unboxing for BoxyCharm. And I will see you guys when I get my base box, which I'm actually shocked that the premium came before base. Like I said, the premium box last month took forever. But that's besides the point. So I'm going to go, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.